Welcome back to the channel, Lefty's Wood Designs. Today we're back at the cabin. We're going to be putting on the new locks. And I'm going to put one on that door, the back door. And we'll put one on here on this door. And then I want to put a piece under here and seal it up a little bit better. Kitty followed me up here today. Sitting over there, probably hunting mice. Yowzers. I picked the locks up at Harbor Freight. I think they were like $7 or 3 of them or something. Not the best locks, obviously. And then I bought these at Home Depot yesterday. But I'm hoping I got screws up here at least. These are the only ones I got up here. These are way too long. They might be good for the side. The screws they give you are not that long. You can pry them out. Yeah, I should have bought one with a bend in it. Obviously, you know, if someone wants to get in here, they will. Just a little bit of a deterrent for them. Hook that up. I mean, they can rip this right off, obviously, but they're gonna make some noise doing it. And plus, I'm gonna have security cameras. I'm gonna put a security camera up there, right up on one of these trees, pointing down this way, pointing over this way. Alright, got the windows opened. They were nailed shut. I got them open. 2017. I don't even know if it's gonna work. It's watery. Real watery. I bought it for $2. I couldn't even get the lid off. It says 12/1/2017. I don't care what it looks like. I couldn't find my little roller. So I just grabbed the paintbrush. Alright. I got the inside painted and that window on the outside, or inside. I didn't do that one yet. Ran out of time. But yeah. Don't look too bad. And then tomorrow I'll come up with a razor blade and get all the paint off the window. Go buy some Windex, paper towels. Get all this scraped up. Green paint don't really cover this pink. Two coats. Like this. I didn't even touch this window yet. I don't think I scraped it yet. Maybe I did. Let's get the loose stuff off of there. Oh, I want to paint the floor too. I got some floor paint that I want to use up. I'm never going to use this room. I ain't going to use this room for nothing. I just want to seal up all the holes so critters can't get in here. That's bad. That roof is bad. I'm gonna trim that out. It'll look a lot better once the windows are clean and the paint's off them. Alright. Got that window painted. Just gotta scrape off the paint. Got this window painted. This window painted. Alright, that's going to wrap up today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. And hopefully pretty soon we'll be getting building the workbenches in here. And logo up on that wall. Getting the workbenches in here and electrical, and I'm in. Alright. See you guys on the next one.